Hello everyone! So, as you can tell, I do look a little weird. Am I crooked? Damn! Okay, that should be a little better. As you can see, I have the rest of my face done, minus the eyes. This is going to be like a Coachella-ish look. I wanted to play around with a little bit of yellow, a little bit of color, you know, and we're mainly focusing on yellow today. And I'm going to take the second shade. Ooh, did I just dip into some? I'm going to take the second shade from the top, which is called Beam. I still have yet to memorize any of the shadow names of this palette, and I'm going to take this literally all over the lid up to the crease. Taking the Hera palette, I'm going to take the yellow. I don't know how pigmented these are, but a lot seems to be rubbing off. So I'm going to take it on and just kind of run it in windshield wiper motion. I'm gonna try to take just a little bit of the orange, like I said we might use in the Etude palette. These are a little more creamy, I believe. I'm just gonna kind of run that on the outer corner-ish.
I applied the orange to the outer corners just to give a little bit of depth.
I'm gonna take a little bit more of the yellow and try to kind of run it underneath very loosely. Then taking the orange color again, I'm gonna run that. Alright, and then I feel like if we go too overboard with the shadow, I'll regret it. So I'm actually going to take the Morphe Color Wheel. I'm also going to take this Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, put it on 2 drops, 3 drops. A very small precision eyeliner brush and line my eyes with this.
You do have to be careful when using this because it is a very slippery product with the oil combined.
Use the yellow to set the eyeliner, or what we use as eyeliner, into place. And this is also going to make it very, very yellow. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on and I look a little less crazy, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the thing that I did, kind of. I'm actually going to take the back of this and stamp it into the wet, I'm just gonna call it a solution. Technically it is, mixture. Let's call it a mixture. The wet mixture. I'm going to stamp it above my eyebrows. Like so. And then usually if there is a little bit of a emptiness, and I'll fill it in with this. I think I did a little too close to the actual eyebrow. I like doing about 5. Some people do a little more if their circles are a little smaller. And then again, I just go in and fill in any of like the gaps that you might be able to see. So as you can see, this one came out a lot more higher than this, but it's all good. You can do like a big one in the middle if you want to. I don't know if I'm willing to do such a big one, but this is essentially how you like get the look. I'm gonna try and recreate like a little tear shape, or like a princess cut kind of a shape right in the middle. And that is pretty much the look. If you want to intensify the yellow on the eyelid, you definitely can. Next, just moving along with the actual look. Today, I actually decided just to use the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the color Melted Fig. This has definitely a purpley tone to it, but it is a My Lips But Better, but just a little bit purpler kind of a deal, you know?
I decided to include a hair tutorial. I'm doing a Dutch waterfall braid going from the back, and so
by doing the rest, and it's going to lay really nicely on your head. If you guys like this makeup tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any other creative looks I think that you want me to do. I'm really thinking about doing like a purple color something, I don't know. But I kind of like how this turned out, even though the circles are really close to the eyebrow and they kind of move every time I do this. If you guys would like to see more videos from me, whether that be makeup, fashion, college videos, or just talking videos, then comment down below so I know and do more of those. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!